first animal considered one of the largest animal in the world. Okay, may mahabang liig. And who will go first? Okay, you young lady, come over here. Halika dito, dali.
Oh no.
Okay, hi, what is your name?
Shikaira.
Shikaira! Okay, ilang taon na si Shikaira?
11.
11, well that's good now. Anong klaseng animal to na may mahabang liig?
Giraffe.
Palakpakan mo niya si Shikaira. Hey, and this is where you end. Wait. Okay, guys. Nasa ka na. Sabi ko, balikan dito. Lesson number 1. Don't forget to use po at opo every time na kausap kayo mas matanda sa inyo. Okay? So, what is your name again?
Shikaira po.
Oh, very good. And lesson number 2. Don't forget to say thank you in return pag may na-receive kayong isang bagay. And this is for you. And what are you going to say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Palakpakan muna natin siya. Yeah! Wow! Okay, now our next ribbon is this one.